Hey there. Our school has partnered with Papaya, and they do tutoring for students just like you.
Welcome to Papaya Tutor. We are so happy you're here. Enter papayatutor.com and go into the login page and enter your credentials. Then click Next. Select the subject that you need help with, and then go to Request a Tutor. Pick a time that works best for you. We have availability from early morning to late evening. Then select the specific area that you need help with in regards to that subject, and then add a description to help your tutor assist you best. You can also include attachments in order to provide more clarification. Click Submit. Then you can view any upcoming tutoring sessions on your calendar, and you can also see the profile page for your tutor. We make tutoring as easy as Papaya.
Hi! So you're trying to understand functions. Let me explain. Functions can be thought as machines. So, for example, picture a blender. How you would put some fruit into them, and what you get out, it's juice, right? There has been a transformation. So what functions do is they transform numbers, but with math operations. So if you were to put a number, what you would get is a transfer number. And the set of all values in which the function is defined, it's the domain. And the set of all the values that the function takes.
Hi, welcome to Papaya. My name is Maya, and today I will be your tutor.
Sorry. My English is very bad looking.
No hay problema. Todos nuestros tutores en Papaya son bilingües. Hablan español, inglés, incluso Spanglish.
No te preocupes, también hablo español. Bienvenido a Papaya. Mi nombre es Maya y el día de hoy seré tu tutora.
Oh, that's perfecto. Muchas gracias. Bueno, tengo muchos problemas que preguntarte. ¿Podemos continuar?
Through high emotional intelligence, we're teaching disadvantaged students that STEM can be as easy as papaya. So what does papaya mean? Papaya in Peru means piece of cake. So when I was little, my friends would ask me, how was that test? And I would say it with so much confidence that it was papaya. And that is our mission, is for every student to have the same type of resources that make learning as easy as papaya.
Ok, entonces eso sería todo por nuestra clase del día de hoy y nos vemos la siguiente semana.
Por fin lo entiendo. Muchas gracias. Esto es bien Papaya.
Muchas gracias. Chao.
Eduardo from Papaya here. Today I'm going to show you the teacher dashboard. When the teacher press here in view details, it is taking here to these questions asked by a student. And as we can see here, we have different students that ask different amount of questions. Detail for the classes during that month. This will take us to information about that date's class.
certainly glad to give my perspectives on Papaya, which has been an incredible program thus far. So I can just tell you, so why am I happy with Papaya?
I'm happy that we chose Papaya as a partner to work with because they have just been phenomenal, part of every part of the process in terms of thinking through, what we need to do for our students, how we can better help them and stuff like that. Just overall very communicative and easy to work with, so we definitely appreciate that in a space that's, very fast moving.
Hola, mi nombre es Jocelyn y yo estudio ciencia con Papaya. Me gustan las actividades y hablar con tutores. Y es muy divertido.